Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving a field Candies problem, and it says chef received n candies on his birthday. He wants to put these candies in some bags. A bag has k pockets and each pocket can hold at most m candies. Find the minimum number of bags chef needs so that he can put every candy into a bag. Okay, yeah, this question is easy only, so I'll be explaining you on the board. So first let's try to take input. So the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. So we'll have to take t while t minus 1. This will take care of all the test cases. For every test case, let's call the function solve. Its return type is void and it has no parameters. Each test case consists of a single line containing three space separated integers n, m and k. So for every test case we have three integers n, k and m. Let's take one by one all the input values. Okay, output format, what they're asking is that for every test case print the minimum number of bags chef needs so that he can put all the candies in one of the bags. So here let's try to understand the examples. They've given 4 test cases. In first test case, here 6 candies and pocket has a bag has 2 pockets and each pocket's capacity is 3. So let me take you to the board. N is basically the number of candies he has, k is basically pocket size, m is basically uh, one pocket how many candies can hold. Let's say what they're saying is that he has 6 candies. I'll be denoting candy this way: 5, 6. He has 6 candies. Now let's say we have a bag. One bag he has taken and it has 2 pockets, and once that bag's capacity, one pocket's capacity is 3. It can hold 3 candies. So if you take, this is the first pocket and this is second pocket, and this is basically entire thing is pockets capacity. Pockets capacity, right? So now let's say chef has taken one bag. Now he'll put one candy. This is gone, let's say. Now this candy he'll put it here. This is gone. Now this candy he'll put it here. This is gone. Now this candy he'll put it here. This one he'll put it here, and this one he'll put it here. So there were 6 candies, and chef needed only one bag. One bag to fill all the candies whatever you have. So in this case your answer is 1, which is correct. Answer is 1. So yeah, this was it. But how do you solve this mathematically? This is visualization, but how do you solve it mathematically? What you will have to do is, we know one bag has how many in one bag, how many candies can be inserted. It is basically k into m. Why k into m? Because it has k pockets and each pocket's capacity is m. So now let's say here is 2 pockets and each pocket's capacity is 3. So whatever candy you can be inserted is 2 into 3, which is 6, which is correct. So this many in one bag, this many pockets are there. So you have n candies. So if you do n by k star m, so this will give you I'll be taking this number of let's say pockets, not pockets. Basically what I was trying to do is that in k star m I'll be taking into one variable, or let me, for explaining, take it this way only. If I take n by k star m, this is the number of bags that you require. So in this case it is 6. 2 into 3 is also 6. So you require one bag, right? This is a mathematical formula. So let me take you to the second example. Three, 1, 2. So what it is saying is that he has a bag I mean, let's say we take one bag and it has only one pocket, so and each pocket's capacity is 2, so this is the capacity. Now he has 3 candies. Let's say you'll be inserting this candy into here, this candy into here. So one bag is full. Now he'll be taking another bag now. Again, its capacity is 2 candies can be filled. Let's say this candy I'll be filling here. So how many bags he require? One bag is there, one bag is there. So total of 2 bags is required. So now let's start to put in this formula. N is 3, 2 into 1, which is basically K into M, is 2. So this will give you 1. But ideally, if you try to visualize, you need 2 bags. So now extra bags, how do you find? You do N modulo K star M. So this will give you the remainder of N when divided by K star M. So this many candies will be there. So it is 3 modulo 2. Its answer is 1. So if you see you have any reminder, so in that case you need to take extra bag to put those remainder of candies into the bag. So if it has some reminder greater than 0 value, so you'll be requiring additional one more bag. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. So let me try to write the code now. So K star M we have, I'll be taking int bags. This bags will be basically N divided by, as I said, K star M. This many bags we require, but we'll have to check one more thing, like if it has some reminder number of bags. So it has some greater than 0 value. So in that case, extra bag is needed. So I'll be increasing the bag by 1. At the end, I'll have to output bags. So let's start to run the code. 1 2 to 4 is what we expect. So 1 2 to 4 is there. Let's start to submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. So it was easy. It's like in a bag, how many candies can be filled? That is K star M basically, and he has n candies. So it is very basic mathematics. I think through the entire series, I've been solving this divided and modulo, and I think you guys are getting. So if you guys are not getting, you do let me know in the comments, and I'll try to help you out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.